In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview in Canva. If you've ever wanted to check how your design really looks before sending it out, this is a feature you'll want to use. Previewing in Canva is a simple way to review the overall layout of a presentation, ebook, flyer, or other design without all the editing tools getting in the way. It helps you catch things like spacing issues, alignment problems, awkward page flow, or elements that don't look quite right once you view them more like a finished project. To get started, open Canva and go to your home dashboard. From there, find the design you're currently working on in your recent projects and open it in the editor. Once your project is loaded, give yourself a moment to look over the canvas area so you know you're in the right file and ready to review it properly. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the Canva editor. You don't need the left side tools for this part. Instead, look for the button labeled Present. This is the option Canva uses to let you view your work in a cleaner, more polished way, especially for slide-based designs or projects that benefit from a full preview. When you click Present, a menu will appear with different preview options. From here, choose the mode that fits what you need. If you just want a straightforward look at your design, select Present Full Screen. If your project includes speaking notes and you want to view those while presenting, you can choose Presenter View instead. Picking the right mode makes the review process much more useful. After that, click the purple Present button to launch the preview. Canva will remove the editing panels and toolbars so your design fills the screen. This gives you a much more realistic sense of how the final result will appear to someone else. Now take a few moments to review everything carefully. Use your arrow keys or your trackpad to move through the pages or slides. As you do, check that text is readable, images are positioned correctly, and any animations or video clips play smoothly. This is also a great time to make sure your titles are clear and not overly long, since that can affect visual balance. If you notice anything that needs fixing, just press the Escape key to return to the editor. Once you're happy with the preview, go back to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select the file type you want, such as PNG for digital use or PDF print for physical copies, and then click Download to save the final version. That's it. You now know how to preview in Canva and confidently check your design before exporting it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next